Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with another video for you. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I have a very good reason. So let's get into it. So if you watched my previous video, then you saw me talk about the aloe vera gel, plant, aloe vera, everything. You know, I sang its praises, I loved it. It made my hair feel so soft and detangled, and I thought it was gonna be great, you know, like why'd I wait so long to try this? I should have been on this. Now I see why. So apparently when you have low porosity hair, aloe vera gel should not really be an option for you unless you're gonna really dilute it with water or some other conditioner. Because what happens is, since the cuticle layers of your strands are closed so tightly, the aloe vera just sits on top. When you have low porosity hair, just in case you don't know, the strands are packed really, or closed really tightly on itself. So you have to do a little bit of work to get them to open up, like steam your hair, do deep conditioners with heat, or, just, take a little bit more time to get them to open up, and it's fine. Once you learn what works for your hair, it's not that big a deal, but along the way it can be a little bit frustrating, and this is definitely one of those moments. So apparently it has a lower pH level than water, and water already has a hard enough time trying to get your cuticle layers open up when you have low porosity hair. So yes, aloe vera gel just sits right on top of your strands. Looks like you just shampooed your hair and decided to not rinse any of it out. That's how many white flakes I had in my hair. It was uncomfortable. My scalp was really itchy. I was self-conscious, like I hope these people at work don't see all these flakes in my hair, because I didn't have time to like re-wash my hair. I had to just do what I could do. I tried to spray water on my hair while I was doing it, and hopefully that would help. It helped for like 5 minutes, but after that it was like back to white flakes all over the place. It got all over my coat, my clothes, my car. It's just a mess. And I told Lex, I was like, I got all these white flakes, aloe vera gel, my hair, it's got so many flakes in them. And he's like, yeah, I saw that. I'm like, hello, you could have said something. But I guess he didn't think it was that big of a deal, or he thought I knew or something. But anyways, I'm just like, seriously? Aloe vera gel is not where it's at for me. It just was, I don't know, it just was so strange, because the first time I used it, it was fine, and someone even asked me in the comments of my last video, it didn't leave a lot of flakes in your hair, it left a lot of flakes in mine. I'm like, yeah, there were some, but it wasn't so much to where, I could see it and it was an issue, and I had to I felt like I needed to redo my hair. I'm assuming that was the case because that was the first time I used it. When I did it the second time, I guess the first layer never really completely washed out, so I just put more aloe vera gel on top of that. And the crazy thing is, I deep condition my hair with it. I wash it out, even use shampoo to get whatever flakes out, thinking this will, this is gonna be it. I'm not have to worry about any flakes at all, because I only had a little at first. Man, was I wrong. I probably should use a sulfate shampoo, because sulfate free is more gentle, and it's not, it doesn't really strip your hair the way you kind of want it to when something like this happens. So it's just like, okay, what am I gonna do? I gotta figure out something. So I decided I'm gonna do a apple cider vinegar rinse. I was gonna do that clay thing that I forget what it's called, but I've done it in a previous video where it's like a clay deep conditioner. Really just strips, the dirt and the oil from your hair so you can have a fresh start. Now you use apple cider vinegar for that, but I was just like, I might as well just go, straight in with apple cider vinegar and water and call it a day. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and go get some apple cider vinegar now and get it going. I will film it and show you guys how it works out. Hopefully it works, because I'm like, come on, like, it's just aloe vera gel. Like, why is it so hard to rinse out? And it's funny, I did a wash and go and everything. My wash and go came out pretty good considering all the aloe vera gel that was stuck in my hair, and I didn't realize it was all stuck in there until my hair completely dried. So I won't be using aloe vera gel anymore, at least not for my hair. I'm gonna continue to use it for my skin, because I have been applying it there. I've heard that aloe vera gel is very, very good for your skin. It helps to hydrate your skin and make collagen cells regenerate the way they need to help, get rid of texture and, all kinds of stuff. So I'm happy with that. But as far as my hair, I'm done. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave any comments or questions that you might have in the comment section below. And if this has happened to you, please let me know what you did. If you use something else, let me know what that was and what your experience was like. But yeah, in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And as always, thanks for watching.